Students, so here is a diagram of mitochondria. Okay, we'll discuss all the important points which are important regarding NEET. Okay, so first of all, this is called ATP house. Okay, and another important thing, that the outer membrane, there are two membranes, one is outer and one is inner. So outer membrane is more permeable, outer is more permeable more permeable than inner membrane. Why? This is because of porine protein. Because porine protein are present on the outer membrane. Okay, they are porine protein. Okay, and second thing is, this is semi-autonomous. Semi-autonomous means, although it makes itself all the things except for few proteins and a few other things. Okay, so it requires, or it depends basically on the nuclear DNA, that's why it is semi-autonomous. Okay, next important thing is, it divides by binary fission. divides by binary fission binary fission And the next important thing, it has 70s type of ribosome. Okay, apart from that, the length is 1 to 4.1 micrometer, and width is approximately 0.2 to 1 micrometer. Average 0.5 micrometer. The next important thing, very important, solid. There is solid homogeneous mass present in it, that is matrix. Okay, and these foldings inside the matrix called cristae. Okay, so these are all the points that is present in your NEET NCERT, and very important. Especially these type of things are frequently asked in the NEET type of exam. Okay, this can be asked, and this can be the possible questions. All these are possible questions actually. So hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.